So the first thing is, what is connected field service? By definition, by Microsoft, connected field service is the ability to add connected devices powered by the Internet of Things and leverages cloud capabilities to augment your existing field service operations. It enables organizations to transform the way they provide service from a costly reactive break-fix model to a proactive and, in some cases, even predictive service model through the holistic combination of IoT diagnostics, scheduling, asset maintenance, and inventory on the same platform. Now that you have an understanding what connected field service is, let's talk about some of the benefits. First is predict and proactively prevent. This benefit is having error codes and logs on assets that dictate the potential failure or a log of failures. This will allow your field service team to log failures for those codes and build a list of potential outcomes. By doing this, the field service team learns more about the behavior of your assets, which in turn allows for the proper skill set to be dispatched and parts, if required, to be shipped in advance of technician arrival. This also allows for tracking failure trends so you can report on how often your service team is dispatched for certain errors and how you resolve them. Second is increase your first-time fix rates. With the proper skill set and parts shipped in advance of technician arrival, first-time fix rates will increase. In turn, field service will save money on technician travel and technician hours, at the same time increase SLA compliance rates. Third is remote repairs. Identify error codes that do not require a technician to be dispatched. Allows the field service team to call the customer's site, contact, and have the customer perform a reset or user level repair task that do not require a technician. For example, vacuum the air intake, replace the keyboard when it arrives. Just simple tasks the user can perform. There could also be the possibility of updating the software, forcing a system reset, or clearing the air remotely. Performing any of these actions would fix the error without spending a lot of money to have a technician travel to the customer site. Remote diagnostics. The ability to monitor the health and trends of fielded equipment. This helps to determine repair needs and assisting the field service team with who to dispatch and what parts to send. Also gives the ability to track the performance of the fielded asset to assist with future asset enhancements or assist with predictive maintenance, which is identified the failure trends of certain components that can be added to preventive maintenance performed on assets to help decrease the amount of repair calls required for that asset type. Customer retention, the ability to keep the contract KPIs and increase asset reliability, which increases customer confidence in your product and your ability to maintain the product. A happy customer equals a returning customer.